Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Byju's exam prep. Hope you guys are fine. So, guys, come on, join the session fast so that we can start with hydrology, irrigation, open channel flow, and one more that is building materials. So, here one more thing is included that is building materials as well. Okay, so I guess I'm audible and I'm visible also. So now we'll start with the session without any delay. First of all, if you don't know about me, you can go through my profile. Next, you can join my Telegram group for further upcoming classes. And guys, I'm taking a workshop on 28th of February at 7:30 p.m. If you're targeting for GATE 2025 along with your college or job, how can you get a good rank on the very first attempt? Talking about next, you know that the atomic series BARC is going on, so you guys can if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do so and attend all the lectures. And guys, this is the schedule for the classes, and ground zero series is going on in the app. The session is live on the app, you guys can join it. And we are having post gate sessions also going on the app, you guys can watch that sessions also. Bitly link is there in the description box from where you can download the app if you don't know, and if you haven't downloaded the app yet. And after that, we are having full syllabus course launched for 25 and 26 both in English and Hindi language. So you guys can enroll if you are targeting for upcoming GATE. And if you have any doubt whether you should prepare only for GATE or ESC, then you have an option of talking to our counselor. So you can call this on this number, or you can fill the counseling form in the description box. Our counselors will reach to you. Okay, so now let's start with the session. I guess now we are ready. Are we ready, everybody? Quick, quick, quick. Are we ready, guys? I have around 40 questions today. Just tell me first. You all are there. Are you guys ready? Ready, everybody? Okay, then. I guess you should reply also because I can't see your face. So it's whatever you will say, I'll believe that. Okay, so now let's start with the session. This is the first question for you. Which of the following characteristics of the rainstorm can completely describe the rainfall at a place? Come on, guys, answer me. Which of the following characteristics of the rainstorm can completely describe the rainfall at a place? Excuse me. Excuse me. Come on, guys, quick. बताओ. Which of the following characteristics of the rainstorm can completely describe the rainfall at a place? At a place, अगर आपको rainfall के बारे में बताना है तो कौन कौन सी characteristics पता होनी चाहिए? Obviously, किस इंटेंसिटी की रेनफॉल हो रही है, कितनी इंटेंसिटी की हो रही है, फॉर हाउ मच ड्यूरेशन इट इज टेकिंग प्लेस, एंड प्लॉटिंग द इंटेंसिटी वर्सेस टाइम ग्राफ इफ यू नो दैट, एंड कितने ड्यूरेशन कितनी फ्रीक्वेंसी में हो रही है, कितनी बार हो रही है. Okay, so if you know all the four things, then only you are able to describe the rainfall at a place. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 all are correct. Okay, now moving to the next question. This is a calculative question. A catchment has an area of 100 hectares. Runoff coefficient is given to you as 0.4. Generally, runoff coefficient will take it as 0.4. Due to 5 centimeter rainfall event, the stream flow at the outlet lasts for 10 years. It is asking you the discharge, the average stream flow. Come on, guys. It is asking you the average stream flow. Basically, in the question, it is asking you the discharge. Correct. उसका आंसर तो करेक्ट. अब इसका आंसर बताओ. Come on, guys. You have to answer. You have to give the BARC, not me. मेरे को नहीं देना पेपर. आपको देना है. Come on. Quick, quick, quick. You have to give the paper, guys, not me. अब देखो, अगर मुझे stream flow चाहिए, I need to know that how much amount of runoff is taking place. In the question, it has given me rainfall. Now you know that runoff coefficient is equal to runoff upon rainfall. Runoff coefficient is 0.4. Rainfall is given to you as 5 centimeter. Now this is runoff. I don't need the depth. I need the volume. So what I'll do is I'll multiply 5 centimeters. Centimeter converted into meters. Okay. Now multiply by the area, that is 100 hectares. You know 1 hectare is equal to 10 raised to power 4. Solve it. Solve it. You will get the runoff. How much it is coming? How much it is coming? It will come 2 into 10 raised to power 4 meter cube. Now the rainfall is lasting. The stream flow is taking place for 10 hours. So this will be 2 into 10 raised to power 4 meter cube divided by 10 hours. Solve it. कितना आएगा आंसर? How much will be the answer coming? 2000 meter cube per hour. As simple. Yeah? So, this can be asked, and here you don't need calculator also. If you have a slightly good mathematics, you will be able to solve it. चलिए. Now this is a good question. इसका multiple answer नहीं है. Okay. Because in this one, BARC you will be getting only MCQ. Which of the following curves are true for DAD analysis? Depth, area, duration curves. Come on guys. Which of the following curves are true? Depth, area, duration. I told you at a stretch आप तीनों चीजों को analyze नहीं कर सकते. You cannot analyze all the three things. So when you take the variation of 2, you keep one other parameter as constant. So come on guys, solve it. Very good Jagriti, very good. So the answer will be both A and C. Let's check it out. See, if the area is fixed, अगर आपने area को fix किया, and if you are increasing the duration, the rainfall depth will increase. Obviously, if let us suppose I am talking about 1 hectare area, अब 2 घंटे की बारिश हुई, 2 hours of rainfall took place, 4 hours of rainfall took place. So obviously the amount of rainfall which took place in 4 hours will be more as compared to the rainfall which took place in 2 hours. Okay, so this is correct. Now here, ये sense नहीं बन रहा है. This doesn't make any sense. Now C1. Now here what is happening? Average rainfall depth and area. Again same thing. When you are increasing the duration, the rainfall depth will increase. So both A and C are the correct. सही है. A and D. A नहीं D answer होगा because this is an MCQ, right? So MCQ है. You won't get NAT or MSQ questions here. चलिए. Now this question. Very simple. Very simple. इतना सारा लिखा है. They have written so much, but it is not required. Now check it out. In the case of large rivers, a number of equidistant vertical sections of the total width of flow are identified for the purpose of finding by numerical integration. ठीक है? The total discharge आपको निकालना by numerical integration. Okay. Mean velocity is the arithmetic average of at 2 positions you will take the depth and then you will do the arithmetic average. Now it is asking you what will be the mean velocity at a particular section. Come on guys. How will you calculate? Good morning TGP. How will you calculate? How will you calculate the mean velocity or you call average velocity? I told you for shallow streams generally when the depth is less than 3 meters, average velocity is given by finding the velocity at 0.6y depth. Okay, and when it is a moderate deep streams, you will calculate it at 0.2d and you will calculate the velocity at 0.8d depth. You will take the summation and do the average. So B will be the correct. Correct? Oh my God. Depends करता है. मैं कभी भी नहीं बोलूंगी easier than gate, difficult than gate और equivalent to gate. कभी भी मैंने ये नहीं बोला कि it is much easier than gate. Never. चलिए. Now this question. This is a good question. What about option D? ये वाला बोल रहे हो. Option D तो A भी सही है, C भी सही है नागेश. B is not correct. ये तो इसके हिसाब से अगर आप चेक करो तो as यहाँ पर आप देखो, just check it out. अगर same depth में भी लो, same depth, area को तो मुझे constant रखना पड़ेगा ना. Here area is not constant and you're measuring rainfall depth भी vary कर रहा है, duration भी vary कर रहा है, ऐसा नहीं होता. आप तीनों चीजों को at a stretch you cannot analyze all the three things. You will keep one thing as constant and you will check out the variation of 2 other parameters. This is what you do. In case of D. D नहीं होता? You calculate at 0.2 y depth and your 0.2 d depth and 0.8 depth. ये नहीं होता. For shallow streams, this is the one. And for deep, this is the one. D नहीं होता option. Never ever. No, D is not correct. Okay. Now this one. The velocity of the stream flow when measured using a current meter at point A is found to be 5 meter per second, and revolution is given to you as 50 revolutions per second. And at point B, this is for A, at point B it is the velocity is 3 meter per second and it is 40 revolutions per second. The velocity of the stream at a section 50 centimeter downstream of the point B, जहां पे revolutions दिया है आपको कितना 60 revolutions per second, तो आप बताओ velocity कितनी होगी. ये बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. इन गेट इससे थोड़ा सा आपको चेंजेस आया था. वहां पे 50 सेकेंड्स और 60 मिनट्स की बात की गई थी. दिस इज वेरी इजी. यू नो V इज इक्वल टू ANS प्लस B, 5A50 plus B, 3A40 plus B. Solve both the equations. You will get the value of A and B. Solve करो. एग्जाम में भी आप ही को सॉल्व करना ना. ऑल्सो यू विल सॉल्व. Check it out. Give 1/5 and this will come out to be -5. Just check it once. But it has asked you the velocity when the revolutions is 60 revolutions per second. A is 1/5 revolution, 60 revolutions per second, and this is -5. Solve karo. 12, 60 by 5 is 12, 12 minus 5 is 7. Simple. This question is simple. Any doubt? Nagesh, Jagriti, any doubt, anybody? Clear? This question is clear, everybody? Come on, quick, quick, quick. Okay then, we'll start with the next question. A catchment has 4 rain gauges installed. Annual average rainfall is given to you is 110 centimeter. Standard deviation is given to you 25 centimeter. Error is given to you 0.10. It is asking you the additional number of rain gauges. Additional means extra. So for calculating additional, first you need optimum. So this will be formula for optimum is N upon CV. Allowable error is 0.10. Or if you want to write in terms of percentage, you can write 10%. Okay. Now you need to calculate coefficient of variation. 25 divided by 110 into 100. How much is coming coefficient of variation, guys? 22.78. Remember, if I am taking this in percentage, I have to take allowable error also in percentage. Don't do one as percentage, one in decimal. You will get the wrong answer. Okay. So this is 10 and this is here 22.78 whole square. How much it is coming? Guys, you have to solve it also. This will come out to be 5.16. So you will round it off to the higher side, that is 6. So 6 we required. Right now we have 4. So how much additional we require? 6 minus 4, that is 2. Correct? Now 7. Don't have calculators. Okay. Now this question. Rainfall intensity is given to you in mm per hour, but the duration of each rainfall intensity is half an hour. Now here they have given you the runoff volume and catchment area and it is asking you phi index. I have told you whenever they ask you phi index, first you need to calculate W index. Now W index, you know, it is precipitation minus runoff by time. So now first let's calculate runoff. 27.45 million means 10 raised to power 6 and 1830 square kilometer. So convert it into meters. Solve it. How much you are getting the runoff? Pehle runoff bata do. Solve it and tell me the value of runoff. Runoff you got precipitation. Precipitation 5 plus 9 plus 20 plus 13 plus 6 plus 8 plus 16 plus 3. This is in mm per hour. And duration intervals half hour. Solve it. किसी का आया? Precipitation. Tell me the value of precipitation also. 80 it will come. Half of 80 इसको plus करोगे. When you'll add it, you will get 80. Half of 80 is 40. 40 mm. So W index 40 minus 15 and how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hours. So this will give you the value of W index in mm per hour. Calculate and tell me कितना आ रहा है W index. पहले आपको W index निकालना ही पड़ेगा. You need to calculate W index first. How much it will come? 6.25 mm per hour. This is W index. But in the question, it is not asking me W index. It is asking me phi index. Phi index is हम वो precipitation लेंगे जो runoff produce करता है. Average precipitation above which rainfall volume is equal to runoff volume. So any value which is less than 6.25, you will not take that. 6 is less than 6.25. This 5 is less than, 3 is less than. Okay. So now here we will take 9 plus 20 plus 13 plus 8 plus 16. 0.5. Because 0.5 hours it is taking place. Runoff is 15. Divided by this is 1 hour, 2 hours and half hour. Come on. कितना आ रहा है? 563 क्या हुआ? अच्छा उसको you are neglecting that. Okay. Solve this and tell me how much it is coming. This will come out to be 7.2 mm per hour. Is it coming that much? 7.2 mm per hour. इसको 0.5 से multiply नहीं किया because it is half an hour interval. Jagriti. Sure. Okay. Now this question, a good question. Come on, solve this question. I'll add one slide by that time. Chalo. A stream discharge is calculated by dilution technique. ठीक है. If a 25 mg per liter of a fluorescent tracer was discharged into a stream, so I'll take it as C2. कोई tracer है, कोई dye, anything is discharged at a constant rate of 10 meter cube per second. And the concentration is tracer का जो stream में था पहले से present already वो zero है. So the present was 0. At a downstream section means अगर ये ऐसा. This is the discharge of the stream which you need to calculate. The concentration of the tracer which is present is 0. Q2 you are adding rate and C2 is the chemical. So here you will get the concentration as C and equilibrium concentration is given 5 ppm, that is 5 mg per liter. Firstly it is asking you the stream discharge. मतलब आपसे ये Q1 पूछ रहा है. Now you know continuity equation. I can write it here. मेरे head पे तो नहीं stuck करेगा. Q1 C1 plus Q2 C2 is equal to Q1 plus Q2 C. अब now you know everything. You can just substitute it. आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. This will become 0 because C1 is 0. Q2 is 10. C2 is 25. And this is Q1 is आपको निकालना है. This is 10 and this is 5. Solve it and tell me the value of Q1. Come on guys. So solve करो and tell me the value of Q1. Come on. Quickly. 5 ones and 50, 50 minus 10, 40. यही से दिख रहा है. इतना simple है. So stream discharge is 40 meter cube per second. Liters per second नहीं है. But here guys kindly read the question. अब इसने थोड़ा सा आपके साथ game कर दिया. आपने देखा stream discharge 40 meter cube per second. You are like, oh my god, I got the answer and you'll move to the next question. Kindly read the statement C. If the concentration of the tracer is doubled, like instead of C2, now you are providing C2 dash, that is 50 mg per liter, then what will be the change in the stream discharge? Discharge के rate में क्या change आएगा? So now you need to calculate Q1 again. So Q1 C1 plus Q2 C2 dash is equal to Q1 plus Q2 C. Now this will be 0 because C1 is 0. Q2 is uh, uh, that is 10 meter cube per second, and this is 50. Fine. Come on. Calculate Q1. Come on, calculate Q1 again. Now you have to calculate it again. Come on. Quick, quick, quick. This time it will come out to be 90 meter cube per second. Okay. Now check it out. Initially it was 40 meter cube per second. Right now it is 90 meter cube per second. In the question it is asking you change in stream discharge. So change in stream discharge will be 90 minus 40, that is 50 meter cube per second will be the change in stream discharge. So C is also correct, and I told you we don't have multiple select questions here. So here the answer will be D. Both A and C. So guys, इस question से ये सीख मिलती है, you learn from this question that if you are getting one answer as correct, kindly read the other statements also, not in a hurry skip that question. Okay, otherwise 1 marks का negative हो जाएगा, 3 marks तो मिलेगा नहीं and 1 marks will be negative. चलिए, this question. The infiltration capacity of a soil follows Horton's equation. It is given to you. It is asking you the total depth of infiltration pehle, and then average infiltration rate for the first 40 minutes. So it is asking you both the things. Come on. How will you do it? Come on, guys. Pehle to 40 minutes hai, you know that everything is in mm per hour. So 40 minutes converted into hours, 40 by 60, that is 2 by 3 hour. तो ये हो जाएगा from 0 to 2 by 3 because you need to find the cumulative value. So now this will you'll integrate. So 13 integration of dt is t. Now you should be so pro क्योंकि I don't think now you are a beginner, right? So अब आपको solve करते आना चाहिए, that too in a single line. 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 minus come on, solve it. You will get the value in mm. 23.66. पक्का? Just check it again. 23.66 or 20.89. Check it. Viren, Jagriti, just check it again. 23.66 or 20.89. Quick, quick, quick waiting. So average infiltration rate क्या हो जाएगा फिर? Just check it out first. Just check it out quickly. I guess it is coming 20.89. एक बार और check कर लो. 20.8888 it is coming. Just check it once. Calculation. Now it is asking you average infiltration rate. So divide by, this is in mm hour. So this will be the answer. And definitely don't think, ma'am, it is highly calculative. It will not be asked. It has already been asked in these examinations. So don't you think कि नहीं पूछा जाएगा? Definitely पूछा जाएगा. The last question, -1 होगी ना? -3/2 हाँ तो लिया तो -1 लिया है ना? -1 तो लिया है. -1. ठीक. चलो. 8-hour storm with incremental rainfall during each successive hours is given to you. करेक्शन टोटल रन ऑफ में क्या होगा? एक्चुअली द फाई इंडेक्स वाज 0.5 सेंटीमीटर पर आवर, बाय मिस्टेक यू हैव रिटन इट एज 0.6 सेंटीमीटर पर आवर. तो बताओ जो रन ऑफ है उसके में क्या करेक्शन होगा? इनिशियली यू हैव टेकन द रॉन्ग मैग्नीट्यूड एंड नाउ यू आर टेकिंग द राइट मैग्नीट्यूड. अब क्या होगा? एक्चुअल वैल्यू इज 0.5 एंड द रॉन्ग वैल्यू वाज 0.6. हाउ विल यू डू इट? अच्छा, रॉन्ग मैग्नीट्यूड के हिसाब से रन ऑफ निकाल लेते हैं. इफ द रॉन्ग मैग्नीट्यूड, इसके हिसाब से रन ऑफ इफ आई कैलकुलेट. ओके, चेक इट आउट. इट शुड बी इंक्रीमेंटल नॉट क्यूमुलेटिव. Then a runoff के लिए what is the value which you will not take? Any values which is less than 0.6 you will not take. Less than 0.6, less than 0.6, less than 0.6. Other than that you will take all the values. So 0.8 is the rainfall, 1.2 is the rainfall, then 0.9, 1.8, 1.8. This is the rainfall value. Okay. अब रेनफॉल में से यू नीड टू सब्सट्रैक्ट रन ऑफ. रन ऑफ तो आपको पता नहीं, आपको पता फाई इंडेक्स इज P माइनस R बाई TE. तो यहाँ पे व्हाट यू नीड? रन ऑफ यू नीड. सो व्हाट यू विल डू? PE माइनस फाई इंटू T इज इक्वल टू रन ऑफ. तो यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा? PE तो मैंने कर दिया. फाई इंडेक्स रॉन्ग इज 0.6 सेंटीमीटर पर आवर. एंड हाउ मेनी आवर्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So from here you will get the magnitude of runoff. गलत वाला, how much it will come? How much it will come? 2.9 सेंटीमीटर. ये गलत वाले के हिसाब से. Actually it is 0.5 सेंटीमीटर पर आवर. Actual magnitude हेड पे तो स्ट्रक नहीं कर रहा है. चलो, actual magnitude is या correct magnitude is 0.5 सेंटीमीटर पर आवर. तो 0.5 के हिसाब से कौन सी वैल्यू हमको लेनी चाहिए? टिक 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 टिक. 0.5 के हिसाब से 0.8, 1.2, 0.9, 1.8. यहाँ पे तो हम सभी वैल्यू ले रहे हैं, बस एक चेंज आएगा. वैल्यूज विल बी सेम. 1.2 सभी वैल्यूज ली ना. 0.9 प्लस 1.8 प्लस 1 प्लस 0.8 माइनस यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 0.5 सेंटीमीटर पर आवर इंटू 6. बस ये एक डिफरेंस है. दैट इज द ओनली डिफरेंस विच विल कम. हियर इट इज 0.6 सेंटीमीटर पर आवर, यहाँ पे 0.5 सेंटीमीटर पर आवर. दैट्स इट. सो हियर दिस विल कम आउट टू बी 3.5 सेंटीमीटर. सो हियर द रॉन्ग मैग्नीट्यूड इज 2.9, हियर द एक्चुअल मैग्नीट्यूड इज 3.5. सो हियर अगर आपको करेक्शन लगाना है, सो दिस विल बी 3.5 माइनस 2.9. कितना आ जाएगा? दिस विल कम आउट टू बी 0.6 सेंटीमीटर. 0.8 कैसे आ रहा है? 0.6 आएगा ना. 15 माइनस 9, 0.6 आ रहा है. जस्ट चेक इट आउट. बेरेन 0.6 आ रहा है. क्लियर? चलिए. Now moving towards irrigation, then open channel flow is also there and building materials is also there. Come on, solve it. This is an MCQ question again. Here they have given you the methods of irrigation and they are talking about कि कौन सा plantation है. Come on, solve it. Quick, quick, quick. Solve it. रिंग बेसिन मेथड हम ऑर्चिड्स के लिए या ट्रीज के लिए यूज करते हैं. सो P it will be 4. Furrow irrigation you use it for what? You go use it for row crops, that is like potato. Then check irrigation you use it for jowar, bajra and all, and drip irrigation you use it for cauliflowers and cabbage, and generally you use it for those fruits and all also, which gives you a higher monetary value. So D will be the answer. D होगा. ठीक है. ज्वार और यू कैन से पैडी ऑल्सो. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अब ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन. The duty at various locations is given to you. Duty at head of the main canal is DM. Duty at the head of the distributor is DD, and duty at the head of the water course to field is DW. Now you have to arrange it in increasing order, means smallest at the first and the greatest one at the last. आपको पता है duty at the head of the water course at the field is more as compared to the duty at the head of the main channel. तो सबसे ज्यादा किसके में है, DW के में, सबसे कम किसके में है, DM के में. सो DM, DD, then DW. D will be the correct answer. इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर पूछा है बेटा, डिक्रीजिंग नहीं पूछा है. इंक्रीजिंग पूछा, छोटे से बड़ा, फ्रॉम स्मॉल टू बिगर वन. So maximum demand duty you have it where, in the duty you have it in the water course. इसलिए maximum को सबसे आखिरी में. Clear? चलो. Now this one. Water is released at the rate 12 cumac at the head of the canal. If the duty is given to you as 1250 hectare per cumac and the loss of water in transit means conveyance is 25%. तो आपको बताना how much area is irrigated. Area is how much? Discharge into duty. अब solve करके बताओ how much it will come. Come on. Quick. Solve it and quickly tell me. See, 12 क्यूमैक रिलीज किया था, but 25% is lost. So how much is remaining? 75%. And how much is the, this will be in meter cube per second, that is Qmax. And how much is the duty? 1250 hectare per cumac. Solve it. How much it is coming? How much it is coming? Now see, A option and C option roundabout same दिख रहा है. So beware. C is the correct one. ठीक है. Only thing you have to know that transit में 25% loss हो गया. So how much will come? 75%. Simple. Now this one. Come on. Field capacity is given to you. Permanent wilting point is given to you. Permissible depletion is given to you. Dry unit weight is given to you. Effective rainfall is given to you. क्वेश्चन में आपसे पूछ रहा है नेट इरिगेशन रिक्वायरमेंट पर मीटर डेप्थ ऑफ द सॉइल. नेट इरिगेशन रिक्वायरमेंट. अब नेट इरिगेशन रिक्वायरमेंट से पहले फर्स्ट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट हाउ मच डेप्थ ऑफ वाटर इज रिक्वायर्ड. सो हाउ विल यू कैलकुलेट डेप्थ ऑफ वाटर इज रिक्वायर्ड? दिस इज गामा डी बाय गामा डब्ल्यू इंटू डी into field capacity minus optimum moisture content. Gamma D is 15, this is 9.81 and D. अब D के लिए यहाँ पर क्या बोल दिया? पर मीटर की बात किया. So I'll take it as 1 meter. Now field capacity minus optimum moisture content. कैसे निकालेंगे? यहाँ पे दिया आपको 20% and this is permanent wilting point दिया है आपको 10%. अब आपको बोला permissible depletion 50% permissible depletion allowed है. मतलब कैसे निकालोगे? जो आपका 0.20 माइनस 0.10 इसका 50% अलाउड है. तो दिस विल बी योर फील्ड कैपेसिटी माइनस ऑप्टिमाइजेशन. चलिए सॉल्व कर लीजिए. हाउ मच यू विल गेट? इसको सॉल्व करो. यू विल गेट DW. कितना आ रहा है DW? फर्स्ट कैलकुलेट एंड टेल मी. दिस विल कम आउट टू बी 75 mm. But question it has not asked you how much water is required. It is asking you net irrigation requirement. So 75 mm is required. But during that time only rainfall took place. How much rainfall took place? 50 mm. So how much is required irrigation? 75 minus 50. That is 25. Correct, Shubham. Very good. Okay. Now this question. This is a simple formula based. Farmland irrigated by a border flooding is divided into a number of strips. Area is given to you as 0.05 hectare. Discharge is given to you as 0.025 cumac. Infiltration capacity is 0.05 mm per hour. And the depth is given to you as 10 centimeter. It is asking you the time required. Just you have to be cautious with the units. सिर्फ units देखनी है और कुछ नहीं. सिर्फ units. अब ये 0.025 मीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड है. So you want, you can convert it also. इसको hours में convert कर लो, easy हो जाएगा. तो इसको मैं 60 into 60 कर देती हूँ. So this will come out to be 90 meter cube per hour. So instead of taking 0.025, let's take it as 90. So 90 minus 0.05 into 0.05 into 10 raised to power 4. So first you will get the answer in hours and then you will convert it into minutes. So this will come out to be 0.65 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So जब आप इसको multiply करोगे by 60 minutes, you will get it as 39 minutes. Okay. Formula based है. Only thing which you can make mistakes is in the units. और कोई mistake करने की गुंजाइश नहीं है. Only you will make mistakes in the units. चलिए. Now this question. Come on guys. इस क्वेश्चन को तो आप होमवर्क ले सकते हो, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. सो गाइस टेक इट एज होमवर्क, सॉल्व इट एंड इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स टेल मी, आई विल शेयर द आंसर इन माय टेलीग्राम. और बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, सो आई वांट यू टू सॉल्व इट फर्स्ट. नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन, कम ऑन, दिस क्वेश्चन, लेट्स सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. क्या बोल रहा है ये क्वेश्चन में? Table is given to you for November, December, January. The percentage daylight hours is given to you. इससे आपसे पूछ रहा है consumptive irrigation requirement. आपको पता है consumptive irrigation requirement is consumptive use minus effective rainfall. Effective rainfall from here will come out to be 2 centimeter. Now first you calculate the consumptive use. Consumptive use formula is given by Kp by 40, 1.8 T plus 32. Where temperature will be in degree Celsius. Solve it guys. How much it is coming? पहले तो आप सिर्फ एक काम करो, F calculate कर लो. Just calculate F so that बार बार you don't have to multiply K. So P by 40, 1.8 T plus 32. Solve it. How much you will get? एक को solve करना पड़ेगा. First it will be like 7.19 divide by 40, 1.8 into 19 plus 32. So solve it like this. कितना आयता चला जाएगा? Like first it will come 11.9. Then substitute the value of P as 7.15 and substitute the temperature as 16. ऐसे बार बार you have to solve it. You don't have any options. You have to do it. आपको करना ही पड़ेगा. 9.946. So solve it, add it. आपको कितना मिल जाएगा? 32.74. This is the value. So from here, if you want to calculate consumptive use, ये हो जाता है K into F. Crop factor is given to you as 0.75 into 32.74. Solve कर लो इसको. You will get it as 24.56 centimeter. Come on guys, calculate it. Now you are using calculator, but make sure that you have the habit of using virtual calculator also. So 24.56 minus effective rainfall, that is 2 centimeters. So यहाँ से आ जाएगा 22.56 centimeter. Clear? चलिए. Next question. Okay, ये भी again अच्छा question है. Leaching requirement is given to you. How much water is lost due to evaporimeter is given to you. Rainfall runoff pan coefficient is given to you. Question में आपसे net irrigation depth पूछ रहा है in centimeters. Come on guys. 24.56 में you need to subtract the effective rainfall also by rain. हाँ, correct. Now this one question. 18th question. This is a good question. अच्छा question है. Come on, solve it. Good question. Net irrigation requirement पूछा. Net irrigation requirement is consumptive. आपका पहले हो जाएगा consumptive irrigation requirement plus pre-sowing requirement अगर कोई है plus leaching requirement. Consumptive irrigation requirement अभी बताया मैंने, consumptive use minus effective rainfall. चलिए, now solve this. पहले आपको consumptive use निकालना पड़ेगा. This is a good question. चलिए solve it. I am not going to do it. Consumptive use यहाँ पे easily कोई Blaney-Criddle method नहीं use होगा. यहाँ पे it is given to you how much water is lost due to evaporation, 12 centimeter. How much is the pan coefficient? 0.7. So how much you are getting here? 8.4 centimeter. This is the consumptive use. Minus effective rainfall means that is the one which is going inside the ground. Total rainfall हो रही है 6 सेंटीमीटर की. रन ऑफ है 1 सेंटीमीटर. क्या आप बता सकते हो इफेक्टिव रेनफॉल कितनी होगी? इफेक्टिव रेनफॉल का मतलब यहाँ पर होता है वो पानी जो ग्राउंड के अंदर जा रहा है which will be used by the crops. So here effective rainfall will be 6 minus 1, that is 5. So 8.4 minus 5. So this will come out to be how much? This will come out to be 3.4 centimeter. Okay, now this is 3.4 centimeter and leaching requirement is 4 centimeter. So यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 7.4. Clear? तो ये आंसर हो जाएगा. And you can solve this in hardly 2 to 3 minutes. Even you don't need calculator for this. Okay. Now open channel flow. One question I have given you homework. ये बहुत अच्छा question है. Kindly solve it. If you are not getting me, tell me. I'll give you the answer. Okay. Solve तो कर ही लोगे एक बारी. Yes. Answer मैं बता देती हूँ. Okay. This is C. Answer C है. अब आप solve कर लो. You'll get the value. इसको ना round off to the lower nearest integer. 88. Just solve it once. नहीं होगा तो already you know my telegram group. Just message me there. I'll do that. चलो. Now this question. 19 question. Solve it. I'll bring water for me. I'm thirsty. Solve this. ये assumption question है. Which of the following statements regarding hydraulic jump assumptions means rapidly varied flow के लिए कौन-कौन सा assumption सही है? Come on guys, answer this. Quick. Come on. Which of the following statements regarding hydraulic jump assumptions? You know the assumptions before and after the jump? ये देखो. This is the initial depth. This is the final post jump depth. Before and after the jump, you assume pressure distribution is hydrostatic. Correct. Losses due to friction is neglected. Correct. We assume the channel bed is horizontal, and that is the reason when you get the Ballinger's momentum equation, you call it as a horizontal frictionless rectangular channel. Okay, so all the assumptions are correct. Correct, Jack. Okay. Now question number 20. अब ये आपको बन जाना चाहिए. Whenever in the question, now check it out. There is a triangular channel. Top width is given to you as 4 meter. Depth of flow is given to you as 1 meter. And the velocity which you measured at 0.2 meter depth is given to you as 0.7 meter per second. Point center line. अच्छा पहले center line में दिया. Center line means 0.5 meter पे दिया 0.7 meter per second. 0.2 meter it is given to you as 0.6 meters per second. And at 0.8 meter it is given to you as 0.4 meter per second. Now using 2-point method, you have to calculate the velocity. 2-point method का मतलब ये होता है कि average velocity is equal to v.2 plus v.8 by 2. So 0.6 plus 0.4 by 2. So 1 by 2, that is 0.5 meter per second. This is the average velocity. You need to calculate the discharge. Discharge is area into velocity. Area of this rectangular half base into height and velocity is 0.5. How much it will come? कितना आ जाएगा? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 into 0.5, that is 1 meter cube per second. This will be the discharge. Simple. ठीक है? चलो. Next question. The discharge per meter width means discharge per meter width means small q is given to you 10 meter cube per second. Velocity is 20 meter per second. Now it is asking you what should be the approximate tail water depth for a perfect free hydraulic jump to occur at the foot of the spillway. चलिए कैलकुलेट. ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन अभी इस बार भी गेट के आफ्टरनून सेशन में आया है. कम ऑन सॉल्व इट. इसमें एक चीज नहीं दी, इसको देनी थी. इट इज मिसिंग. इसमें क्यू वी दिया है, इसको y1 देना था क्वेश्चन में. इनिशियल प्री जंप डेप्थ इज नॉट गिवन टू यू, दैट इज टू बी 0.5 मीटर विच इज मिसिंग इन दिस क्वेश्चन. उसको लिख लो. ठीक है. Now you need to calculate y2. So you will apply Ballinger's momentum equation 1 by 2 minus 1 plus root over 1 plus 8 FR1 square. Y2 divided by 0.5, 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 plus 8. Now you need Froude number. Froude number आपको पता है that is equal to V1 root over GY1. V1 is 20 root over 9.81 into 0.5. Solve करके बताओ कितना आ रहा है. Solve this and tell me. It will come out to be 9.05. Just check the calculations once अपने से भी and just multiply by 9.05 square. So from here you will get Y2. How much it is coming Y2? ये आएगा Y2 will come out to be 6.15 meter. Just check it. And there is no option related to 6.15. But roundabout option आपका 6.50 के roundabout है, so we'll take that. 9.03 आ रहा है. Let me check. Excuse me. 9.0304 आ रहा है. हाँ, फिर भी उसके अबाउट ही आंसर आएगा. Oh, Mayank is there today. चलो, correct. Fine. Now, calculate the approximate specific energy of a trapezoidal. Generally, trapezoidal का specific energy पूछता नहीं है, but इस question ने पूछ लिया है. Of a trapezoidal channel, bottom width is given to you as 6 meters. Side slope is 1:1. Discharge is 15 meter cube per second. And depth is 1.5 meters. So this will be also 1.5. This will be also 1.5. Now calculate the specific energy. अब आपको calculate करना है specific energy. Specific energy होता है Y plus V square by 2G. This is Y plus Q square A square 2G. So depth is given to you 1.5. Discharge is given to you in the quotient 15 square. Acceleration due to gravity 9.81. बस इसमें आपको area calculate करना है. Now you know area of trapezium is given by half sum of parallel sides. इधर 6 है. The 6 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3 into distance between them is 1.5. Now calculate. Generally 3 to 1:5 it is taken, Shreya. That for one seats you have 3 to 5 candidates which is taken. Calculate कर लो area. Substitute it here. Come on. How much you are getting the specific energy? कितने specific energy मिल रही है? Solve it. How much specific energy you are getting? Just check it out. It is 1.6 meter. एक बार check कर लेना. ठीक है? So in this question, only thing which you need to know is area. There is nothing more rocket science. ये तो मैंने बता दिया already. This question. The figure below shows gradually varied flow profile. आपको दिया गया है break in grade. You have to tell what is the flow profile which is occurring. So here this is horizontal and this is mild. Horizontal normal depth is there somewhere at infinity. Second zone, third zone, first, 2, 3. Now what will be the one? A flow starts from NDL. Zone 2 is a falling flow profile CDL. So dash dash. Then falling profile this one. So this will be H2 M2. Correct? Second zone here also and here also zone 2. So H2 M2. Correct? Now, not talking about building materials. What is the content of silica in Portland cement? Now you guys can answer these questions के मुझे जरूरत नहीं पड़नी चाहिए. ये variations in percentage you can see it in different books. Just tell me silica का content कितना होगा? I'm writing for others. How much will be for silica, guys? Silica generally होता है 17 to 25%. Alkalis traces are there. Lime 62 to 65%. Alumina 3 to 8%. 60 to 67% lime होता है बेटा. इतना ज्यादा सिलिका थोड़ी ना डालेंगे पोर्टलैंड सीमेंट में. अब जैसे मैग्नीशिया हो जाता है, ये भी बहुत कम रहता है, 1 to 3%. ठीक है, तो ए नहीं होगा. जागृति मैंग, दैट इज फॉर लाइम. इतना ज्यादा पोर्टलैंड सीमेंट में दैट मच प्रेजेंट विल बी लाइम. चलो ये तो इजी है. द रॉक्स फॉर्म ड्यू टू द चेंज इन द कैरेक्टर ऑफ द प्री एग्जिस्टिंग रॉक्स. जो पहले का रॉक है उसके कैरेक्टर्स में चेंज हो जाएगा बाय इंटेंस हीटिंग और एक्सट्रीम प्रेशर. व्हाट यू कॉल सच टाइप ऑफ रॉक्स? What you call such type of rocks? Correct, metamorphic rock. Slate, marble, these are the examples of metamorphic rock. So, specific surface area of ordinary Portland cement किससे कम नहीं होना चाहिए? Is not less than. Specific surface area is the total surface area in square meter of all cement particles in 1 kg of cement. Come on guys. किससे कम नहीं होना चाहिए? 225 meter square per kg. Correct, Yogendra sir. Chalo. Next question. Which of the following is a stratified rock? Which of the following is a stratified rock? वो rock जिसमें cleavage हो, या basically you can say a plane of stratification is there. Come on guys. इसमें से कौन सा stratified rock है? Which of the following is a stratified rock? Sandstone is a stratified rock. So D will be the correct answer. Now this one. Setting time of a cement decreases. अगर आपको setting time को decrease करना है, sandstone है उसका आंसर. मैं setting time को decrease करना है तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? क्या add कर सकते हो? If you want to decrease the setting time of cement, this is easy question. Come on guys. Setting time of cement, if you want to decrease, what can you do? Correct. Very good, Yogendra. Calcium chloride डाल दो. Setting time decrease हो जाएगा. Now, the preparation of surface of stone. Surface stone का to obtain plain edges. To obtain stones of required, जिस size का चाहिए, जिस shape का चाहिए, edges plain हो, obtain हो, उसको आप क्या बोलते हो? That process is known as what? What you call that process? What you call that process? उसको आप बोलते हो ड्रेसिंग. आपको एजेस प्लेन चाहिए, रिक्वायर्ड शेप एंड साइज चाहिए, यू कॉल इट एज ड्रेसिंग ऑफ स्टोन्स. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट. कायोलिन इज केमिकली क्लासिफाइड एज, करेक्ट, करेक्ट, ड्रेसिंग. कायोलिन इज केमिकली क्लासिफाइड एज. Kaolin is chemically classified as argillaceous rock. और argillaceous rock क्या होता है? That is a sedimentary rock जो कि finest clay particle से बना होता है. So kaolin is classified as argillaceous rock. Correct, Divyanshu. Now this one. The process of mixing, transporting, placing and compacting concrete using ordinary Portland cement, इसमें किससे ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए? Should not take more than how much time? Mix, transport, place, compact, सब कुछ. It should not take more than. Correct, Nagesh. Correct. Jagriti. 30 minutes से ज्यादा नहीं लेना चाहिए. It should not take more than 30 minutes. Now this one. स्टोन को आप नेचुरल बेड के अलोंग प्लेस करते हो. स्टोन इज प्लेस्ड अलोंग द नेचुरल बेड so that load is applied dash to it. Load is applied, उसको आप along रखते हो so that load is applied normal to it. Correct? Now this one. This is easy. Kindly tell me this one. Slum test for concrete is carried out to determine. Slum test क्यों करते हैं? You might have done it in your college also. Is to determine workability. Simple. So this one. Devil attrition test is used to determine which of the following? Attrition test. Attrition test. Correct. Aggregate abrasion value. Correct. Percentage wear निकाला होता कितना loss हुआ divided by initial weight into 100. So this will give you the aggregate abrasion value. Now, if P is the standard consistency of cement, the 0.85 amount of water किस चीज के लिए use होता है? 0.85 is used for what? 0.85 is used for 0.85p किस चीज के लिए यूज होता है? बहुत कॉमन है गाइस. It is used to determine amount of water is used to determine final setting time of cement. Abrasion is जब आप loss of wear and tear की बात करते हो. You use this abrasion test in case of जब आप अपन materials वगैरह की testing करते हैं highways for construction of roads, there also you use it. Correct. Now this is, what is the effect of fly ash in concrete? Nowadays we use a lot of fly ash bricks also and fly ash in concrete. So what is the effect of fly ash in concrete? क्यों use किया जाता है? Can anybody tell? Why do we use fly ash in concrete? Correct. Heat of hydration को कम करने के लिए nowadays we use what? We use fly ash in concrete. Okay, next one. चलो, identify this portion of brick. ये तो तुम लोग खुद से करोगे. I won't do it. Tell me the answer. Identify the given portion of brick. Quick. Correct. Very good. Very good. Nagesh said it correctly. Devanshu also. This is queen closer. अब मैं पूरे शेप्स के ऊपर लेकर आपको एक बारी मैं बता दूंगी किंग क्लोजर क्वीन क्लोजर सब क्या होता है. चलो उसको. The decomposition of felled timber caused by fungal attack. Fungal attack की वजह से जो decomposition होता है felled timber का what you call that? What you call that? Quick. Guys, building material is a high weightage subject for your BARC examination. Remember that. Correct. उसको आप बोलते हो dry rot. Okay, now. Which of the following is correct for low heat cement? Which of the following is correct for low heat cement? जल्दी बताओ. If you talk about low heat cement, अगर आपको heat of hydration यहाँ पे कम करनी रहती है, तो what you do is C3A tricalcium aluminate का content कम कर दो. So B option is correct. Correct. Absolutely correct, Yogendra. Heat of hydration is reduced by reducing tricalcium aluminate. C3A का content कम कर दो, heat of hydration will reduce. Granite is an example of, ये तो simple question है. Granite is an example of. Granite is an example of Intrusive igneous rock. Chalo, good. Okay, now this one. The vertical sides of door and windows opening provided in a wall are known as. ये बहुत common question है. The vertical sides of doors and windows openings provided in a wall. Vertical sides of doors and walls, windows की openings या walls में provide करते हो, that is known as what? Jambs. 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 ठीक है? चलो. Now, the most commonly used material in the production of cement. सबसे ज़्यादा use किया गया. This you already know, I guess. Most commonly used. Correct. Lime. Correct. The ingredients added to improve strength and hardness. Strength और hardness बढ़ाने के लिए the ingredients which you add is known as. कौन से ingredients add करते हैं? Fillers. Strength and hardness दोनों के लिए fillers. अब fillers add करते हो plasticizers में. ठीक है? So A. Fine. Now these question ये मैंने last में रखा था homework के लिए. This question is homework. I've already given one that 15-16 question. आपको homework, kindly take the screenshot for this question and this question. यहाँ पे intensity of irrigation of rabi के लिए 60% है and kharif के लिए it is 30%. So this question is homework. Kindly solve this. If you are not able to do it, kindly tag me in my Telegram group. I'll provide you with the solution of it. But try to solve it first yourself. And if you haven't joined my Telegram group, I'll share the link of it. Okay? So, and definitely such questions can be asked. So don't think कि मैम calculative है नहीं पूछा जाएगा, बिल्कुल पूछा जाएगा. ठीक है? This is 45th question number and this is 46th question number. 3 questions I have given you homework. Rest question का calculation usage बहुत मुश्किल नहीं है, थोड़ा मुश्किल है. मैं एकदम ज्यादा मुश्किल नहीं बोल सकती, हाँ, बट थोड़ा सा इंटरफेस में चेंज है तो थोड़ा सा आपको ट्रबल आएगा और इसीलिए कट ऑफ भी कम जाता है. देखो ना, पिछली बार गया 102 आउट ऑफ 300. उससे पहले 2022 में इट वाज 144 आउट ऑफ 300. ओके, आउट ऑफ 102 आउट ऑफ 300 last year 2023 and 2022 it was 144 out of 300. इवन 50% भी कट ऑफ नहीं जाता. तो अगर 100 क्वेश्चन में से मोर देन 50% आप सही कर लेते हो, your chances to appear for the interview increases. Okay, so these were the 2 questions from my side and that's it. Okay, and last you can join my Telegram group जो मैंने बोला, and 25 and 26 we have launched the courses, and if you have any doubt you can contact on the number which is given to you on the screen. And that's it guys. और आज से if you are targeting for 25, I'm starting the ground zero series in the app section. You guys can attend. Okay, so that's all for today guys. Take care of yourself and thank you everyone.